Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a Ford Focus, guys, that the AC, the air conditioning does not work, guys, it could be due to a bad AC pressure switch. In today's video, guys, we will explain where the pressure switch is located and what needs to be done to replace it. We are demonstrating on a third generation Ford Focus, so that third generation, guys, they produced it from 2012 to 2018. Now, we're specifically demonstrating on 2012, but I'll explain, guys, something that you should be very careful and make sure you stay until the end. We'll have, guys, more than 200 videos on that Ford Focus and every car we get at the shop. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, if that switch doesn't work, your AC will not work. And we have a complete video, guys, the top 10 reasons why your AC doesn't work. So check it out, it will be on the channel, it will lead you in the right direction. Let's start with the AC pressure switch location and replacement and show you what needs to be done now. This is, guys, as I said, a 2012 model. Now, where your AC pressure switch is located and what it does. The AC pressure switch, guys, okay, it should be located on the high pressure side. We have low and high pressure side. And how you know that now, guys? Okay, you have two lines for the AC. Okay, check it out, two lines. One is high pressure, the thin line, okay, is high pressure. The fat line, okay, is low pressure. And it makes sense because that same pressure, when you pump it to a small line, it creates high pressure, to the big one, lower pressure. Now, that AC pressure switch, guys, what it does, okay, it detects how much pressure you have in the system, and the system knows if you have enough freon to actually activate the compressor, which is down there on the bottom of the engine. But if you don't have enough pressure, it says, okay, it's not safe for the compressor to run because it will burn, it will malfunction, so it will not turn on. And if that switch is bad, it's not going to activate your AC compressor even though you have freon in the system. So you need to check your high pressure line. You're going to come to about excuse me, right here now. Okay, check it out. And this right here, guys, this is your AC pressure switch. Now, on most Ford Focuses, guys, there is a special valve that closes automatically once you remove the switch, but not on all of them. What I would recommend, to have your system completely vacuumed. They will remove all the freon. That way, guys, you can safely remove the switch, because if you guys, okay, if you remove that switch and there is no valve, what will happen, all the freon will come under enormous amount of pressure. It can hurt yourself, your eyes, your health, guys, your breathing system. So that thing, probably the worst case scenarios, it can even kill you. So be careful, guys, and I recommend to have your system completely vacuumed down. In our case, I've replaced that one in the past, so I personally know that I don't have to, guys, vacuum the system because there is a valve on our specific car. So how you guys remove that thing now? Okay, let me show you quick now. There is one thing that you spread on the bottom, okay, right here. You're going to push it down and we're going to remove the switch. So let me see if I can do that quick. To remove the wiring harness. Grab it only for the plastic. Okay, pull it out like that. Now, what else, guys, we need to do? Okay, let me show you now. We need to, guys, go ahead actually. Okay, and we need to get a 14mm wrench. Okay, and we're going to start taking that switch off. Once you get it loose, it goes by hand. You'll hear a little leak out of the system, but that's because there will be a little bit of pressure in the switch. Listen now. Okay, right there. And you can remove the switch, guys. Okay, like that. Now, that's, guys, the switch that controls your AC. Okay, and you can see the valve is on the inside. That needle presses the valve to release the pressure and the switch can detect it. So that thing, guys, okay, can cause your AC not to work. That's where it's located. That's how you guys remove it. If you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, so you can see where you can purchase one from. But practically, guys, okay, that's how you do it. Not very complicated at all. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you guys having that problem. Again, we have a whole video that explains how to diagnose the AC system on a Ford Focus. Check it out, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.